Are we live? Are we live again? Well, we're live in the court now. We weren't before, so we at least have that going for us. We are live in the courtroom. Let me know if y'all can hear me. Let me know if we're live again. Hey, Callie. Yeah, we're going to do a poll. Let me get this all set up here for us first. I had to do a quick reboot. Oh my God, I got black shit under my eyes from sitting here all day. Oh, I know why. Because I was fucking around with this guasha stone while we were live on the other channel. We're still muted though, guys. Hey, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome in for the Lori Vallow Daybell verdict. Hey, Kels. Hey, Shell. Welcome back. I just wanted to fire it up because I didn't know, how far into this we were. Let's get a poll up. Hold on. They just took the banner off the screen. Why'd they take the verdict banner off the screen? Did you guys just notice that? Hey, Lauren Lee. Hey, True Crime and Other Stuff. Hey, Evelyn. Hey, Beans. You're still over there. PJ. Hey, One-Eyed Flo. Sherry Rollins. Stand by for verdict. Stand by for the verdict. Shell, 59 months? Let me get that pulled up so I can pull your comments up and do a poll. Stand by for the verdict. Oh, that's wild. 59 months. I'm moving as fast as I can. I'm all excited now. The waiting, the anticipation. One more month and she's going to be 60 months. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Shell. You know what, Shell? You know what the crazy thing is? I can't say that about anybody else. No one else has been here for 59 months. That's pretty fucking cool. Do I think they'll show a reaction? Do I think they'll even show her? I don't know. Hey, Rebecca. Thank you for being here for 11 months. Lucky number 11. That's something else, though. That big old 5'9". Pam J, 1 month. I'm saying guilty. Hi, Jay. 32 months for Robat. Wow. Raven J, I was saying I remember you live when they found the kids. Yeah, we were watching Nate Eaton, weren't we? They have to give time for people. Yeah, they said 30 to 60 minutes. 39 months, Melissa. Thank you so much. Hey, Bridget Servey, 319. Wow, those are some long members. Thank you guys so much. Oh, I feel so blessed. Thank you, Summer Girl, for being a member for 6 months. Thank you for a great live today. You're welcome. I think it was a great live. 12 months, Kels. I can't believe it's been 12 months already. Feels like longer, but newer ride or die. Thank you, Kels. Betsy, 40 months. Thank you, Betsy. I'm glad you changed your name, by the way. Look at, she's a coconut cooter. That makes me so happy. I love seeing the OGs too. They really are a testimony to my channel. 39 months. It's crazy. Look at Betsy. Wow. In the Pines, right behind Kells with 11 months. I love that. 3 months. Pretty in Pink, we had a whole quarter together. Pines, thank you so much. I love you, girl. Hey, Adrian. Is Granny here? I don't know. I don't know if she came over or not. But welcome in. If you guys haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button. Anne, you are an OG. Yes, you are. Morgan Le Fay, hell yeah, you are. You are an OG as well. It's good to see you. Oh, Granny had to go adult. That happens. Hey, Emma Swan. So they were deliberating for 2 hours and 58 minutes. Hey, Sapphire. A whole year for us, Evelyn. I love it, my Michigander. She got my heart. Cheryl, you've been around for a long time. Yeah, you're an OG, Cheryl. Just means you've been here a long time. You're an OG, original. Yeah, I think she's going to be guilty AF. Oh, let's get our poll going. Ooh, hold on. Oh, we got another one. Tato coming in hot. I was waiting for yours. A member for 40 months. Seeing as we're milestoning, ride or die. Love you, Jay. Love you too, Tato. 40 months. Yeah, that's amazing. I love that you're all here too. So what's going on? Judge reading the guilty verdict? We don't know yet, Kathy. We're waiting for everybody to get to the court. 21 months. But you've been here longer, Diana. This count is after they took your channel away. I know. Thank you. Thank you. Because I'm 40. Yeah, Court TV said the verdict is in. The verdict is in. Don't question me. I wouldn't have went live with a verdict if there wasn't a verdict in. I wouldn't do that. Me and Tato at 40 months, you and Betsy, neck and neck. All these milestones. Hold on. Thank you, Kels. All these milestones is a complete reflection on you, Jay, and how amazing you are. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are a testimony to my channel. Midnight Angel Star, 10 months. Good to see you too. I know. I ended the other stream and it was like, bam, we got a good verdict. It really is a testimony. It's great. Sunday, she grows on you. Yeah, I grow on you eventually. Hey, Nanny Nut. Good to see you. Petrillo just gifted one of those clicker ships. Emma Swan, welcome to my channel. Give her the bracelets. I've been here before CW. I know. Green Eye, you'd been here a long time. Before CW. Before CW. I wasn't here before CW. I started out on CW, silly. So you've been here since the beginning. Flobo, thank you for 5 clicker ships. See something. Bad Girl, Wendy, Kathy P, and Bridget. Welcome. Living Life, gifted 1. Thank you, Living Life. You guys are very, very, very generous. Thank you. I know. I was thinking, I'm like, wait, what was before CW? Bam, 7 months. I'm here for the long haul. Thank you so much. Oh, we were going to do the poll. Fuck. You guys got me all excited over here. Okay. Verdict. All I hear is Elon. Guilty? Do we just go guilty or not guilty? You like the twit? Wow, Autumn, you did. Guilty or not guilty, right? Because they can't say. I had drama channel. No. Mm-mm. Cole, we have a verdict. Cheryl, my lovely Auntie Cheryl. She's been here since the beginning as well. We OGs got your back now and always love you. I love y'all. I do. Stern's motion was denied. Yes. 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 Fuck you, Stearns, too. 27 months. Wine, crime, and mayhem. Always here, always in the bushes. You rock, Jay. You rock with 27 months here. Damn. Stearns was trying to get shit thrown out and suppressed. Wow, there's Gonzo. Real gone gonzo. Hope you're doing well, buddy. Look at, here we go. Vote in the poll. Guilty or not guilty. Gonzo, can you believe here we are? How many years later I've known Gonz? Gosh, since the beginning. I'd have to say 2019, 2020? Or was it? Did I not know you until Summer Wells? Maybe I met you in 2021. At any rate, Gonzo's a great guy. You guys go sub up to Gonzo. He's easy on the eyes, too, if I do say so myself. Just saying. Very good guy. Good heart. I used to stream on Twitch when I think it was when I was banned from YouTube. I know. I love it. Gonzo's a great guy. I love his community posts. Living life. Welcome to the channel. Thank you. Bridget Servey, I now call it Every Day with Jay. The poll Twitch. We stream that child on Twitch. What did I say? Didn't you mean guilty and not guilty? Yeah, what did I say? It's been a long... Fuck. It's been a long day. Listen, I got a lot going on here, okay? Holy fuck, what? I was like, what did I write? I looked at it like, oh my God, did I really just do that? Oh my God, y'all are fuck. I was like, what? You watch me on Twitch? Like, what? Okay, I'm going to stop talking. Okay. I think I did it right this time. Not Twitch. I was, hey, Chris. Oh, my God. Guilty. Oh, God. Fuck. Hi, Sherry, baby. Girl, you guys, that was some funny shit. Those TikTokers done effed with your head. Oh, my goodness. Not Twitch. Oh, itchy twitchy. No, I haven't eaten yet. It just got dropped off. Oh. Sophia, that's funny. Tato voted and didn't even notice. No, I haven't eaten yet. It's here, though. I just typed what I was saying. Not Twitch. It's all fixed now. I got Panda. Oh, I think it's getting dropped off right now. Panda Express. Do you guys like Panda Express? The verdict is going to be a 5-minute delay. Oh my God. Allegedly, Lisa. We both got Chinese. Okay. I'm going to actually go grab my food. I'll BRB in a minute. Okay. Let me, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute to get together. To Twitch. To Twitch or not to Twitch? That is the question. Jesus. Oh man, y'all crack me up. I crack myself up sometimes. What are you gonna do? You know, we could just tweet. We could just cheat and look on the Twitters and read Nate's post. You know, we could do that. You know, we really could do that. Jay's so hungry, she's twitching. Do you know how long we have, though? Like, do we have any exact time? Okay, no verdict on Twitter yet. All right. I'll BRB. You guys behave. Behave. Behave, little cooters. Twerking, twitching, twatting. I have 1520. All right, thank you, Megan. Come on, baby. Let's do the Twitch. Okay, no spoilers. All right, we'll wait. I'll be back. Y'all behave now. You hear? Jolie.
For making it happen. I want to say thank you for making it happen. Thank you. For making it happen. I want to say thank you for making it happen. Thank you.
Okay. What's up, Cramit? Thanks for being here today. Betsy, thank you so much for your super chat. Oh, shit. I had you guys on my phone. Betsy, aren't my mods the best? She said, I just wanted to thank you. Say thank you to the mods also for your hard work and dedication to the channel. We appreciate you. That's really sweet, Betsy. She's back. Everybody behave. Two people just walked. I just saw a head. I hope that they show Lori's face, though, because we really didn't have a good angle throughout the thing, right? We didn't really get to see her reactions. Hey, Ange B. We got Gyps, Nikki. Nikki, you're not telling me stories now, were you? Were you guys really behaving? Yeah, Misty, everything's good. Thank you for asking. Appreciate that. Hashtag best mods. Oh, Tato's, she was naughty. What's new? What's new? I've been putting out potato fires for years. Just kidding. Get your votes in, guys. We're moments away. I'm going to just eat my supper. You guys want to see what I got? You were having a food fight? Can you see it? Look at that. Hey, Misty. Hey, Jammers. Hey, Nash. Anybody I missed, I'm sorry. We have orange chicken and something sesame and white rice. You DoorDash food from T-Rev and had it. Really? You guys did while I was gone? Hey, Canvas. No, I wasn't at my computer. Hey, Seaboing. Hey, Pines. Hey, Beans. You did Spitballs? Alabama. All right, I'm going off camera. I'm going to eat. You guys had tacos tonight? Hummus and crackers and beet juice. That sounds extremely healthy. Pika stole your crayons? Pika. Pika, Pika, Pika. Hey, Miss Sarah. I hope you had a good day. Nope. Cindy Bobbitt. Cindy Bobbitt, you know I got to play your thing.
It's John Wayne Bobbitt's penis.
Hey, Juicer. The verdict is in, but it hasn't been read yet. I'm over ham. My daughter-in-law sent me home with leftovers, carrot cake, ham, potatoes. Ooh, Evelyn, that sounds amazing. I love that part, Cramit. Who's that? Cutting through the static. What do you guys do with leftover ham? Hey, Ready Freddy. Welcome. Hey, Lindsay. Welcome, Ready Freddy. Thank you for your support. The Cooters are always holding it down. Oh, Stacy needs to hear I fell asleep. That was me last night. I was going to go live last night, and then
I fell asleep.
ham and potato soup, ham and beans, freeze slices and fry them up for breakfast. Seriously?
I fell asleep.
You know what's been in my head all day, Stacy? Lava, chicken. I'm not a big fan of ham. I don't know, Ark. Lava, chicken. Oh no, Cooterville Uber driver. That's why you guys haven't been able to catch rides. The Uber driver's been sick. I hope you feel better soon. Oh, is that what it says? Steve's Lava Chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as hell. Nah, 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 nah. You want this, Cram It?
A cooter de veal.
You want that?
A cooter de veal.
I love how excited she was to sing this.
A cooter de veal. I think the devil drives a cooter de veal. I saw the dreadlocks over the hill. Not against her will. I got time to kill. Way down in Cootersville.
Way down in Cootersville. Nah, chicken is heck. Hey, Dutchie. She says, hey, Jay, I'm glad to hear the verdict is back. Send Vallow to prison where she belongs. Next of kin are 5 minutes out per prosecutor. We're getting close.
Wow.
Who's Steve's Lava Chicken? Is that like a restaurant? Here we go. Hey, Spitfire. Good to see you. Oh, what a tease. Favorite cheesecake? Plain vanilla with raspberries or cherries on it. Lindsay. Oh, there she is. There she is.
The parties are present. The jury's not present. We were informed about 45 minutes ago that the jury has reached a verdict. In the event that the verdict is not guilty, this trial will conclude. In the event that there is a guilty verdict, we need to move on to an aggravation phase immediately after the reading of that verdict. I've given the parties proposed aggravating circumstances, instructions, and proposed verdict form. The state and the defense both have a chance to review those.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections from the state?
No, Your Honor.
How about from the defense? The defense did email my staff
Is it loud
requesting
enough for
an
y'all?
additional.
What just happened? Oh my God. Did Court TV do it again? What just happened? Thank you for answering about the volume, but what just happened? We have to wait 5 minutes. Socks. This shit's gonna make me go look at Nate Eaton's Twitter. Oh, maybe the jury was coming in. Sorry. My bad. Jumping the gun. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Everything's okay over here. Four minutes ago, Kay Woodcock and other family members are not here yet. Judge says we will wait until people arrive for the verdict. Could be a few minutes. 2 minutes ago, Lori is whispering with her advisory attorney. We're waiting for Kay and them. I'm high strung, Delaney? What do you mean? Is that a bad thing? What does that mean, Delaney? You mean I'm excited? Well, let's see. We have an Amber Alert in Florida. Kidnapped child in Dade County. I just got an alert on my phone. Well, let's go to East Idaho News and see what the fuck they're showing. The same damn thing that Court TV was showing. We're going to go back to Court TV because you never know. Cram it. I've already done 8 hours. No, Delaney's always been cool. That's why I was like, what do you mean I'm high strung? Thank you, Yoga. Nash. I put my work in today.
Jolie?
Really, Kels? Yeah, excited is a better word. Hey, Delaney. Delaney's been around here since day one. Who even are you, Delaney? Who even are you? Where is Kels? La 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 lava. Chicken. Yeah, I am a little high strung. You're right, actually. It was a good panel, Roberta. I think that um it helped. Where did Cal's lyrics go? I can't find it now, Kels. Oh, there it is. Steve's lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as heck. Oh, mamacita. Now you're ringing the bell. What does that even mean? Mamacita, you're ringing the bell? Crispy and juicy. Now you're having a snack. Oh, super spicy. It's a lava attack. La 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 lava. Chicken. Nick Jacks, thank you. And I agree. Why does it say mamacita? Now you're ringing the bell. Juicer, who even are you? Juice machine.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
Not gonna lie, Steve made that lava chicken sound smacking. I don't even know who's Steve. Who's Steve? Green eyed. I'm calling Nick. Puffin. How you doing, Puffin? Cowbell? Okay, I have no idea. I've only heard BJ Player Kids sing it. That's the only time I've ever heard it. Mama Sita is ringing a bell. Oh, can't make it up. Jack Black played Steve. Steve from Blue's Clues. Hey, Annie. Good to see ya. La 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 la. You have a cat named Mamacita? They're waiting on family to get there. Steve is a character from Minecraft. Oh, Steve from Minecraft. I gotcha. I'm calling Steve. Is that like a commercial for the restaurant in the movie or something? No, I heard Colby's not here. Chicken jockey? What's that? You thought they meant Steve Subaru Steve. Oh my god. Yoga, that's so nice. I wouldn't go if I was Colby either. I'd stay my ass right at home and get the news with everybody else. Brandon Boudreaux and his wife just walked in the courtroom. They are sitting on the front row of the gallery behind the prosecutor. Annie Cushing is there. Oh, wow. Annie Cushing has been there every day. That is the sister of Tylee's father, Joseph Ryan. Hey, did you guys hear about Scott Peterson? That the Innocence Project has filed a bunch of evidence saying that it exonerates Scott Peterson. Yep. After a more of a year investigation, the Los Angeles Innocence Project has presented new scientific evidence and witness statements. No, this is as of today. This is as of today. This isn't a Netflix. This is real life. After more than a year of investigation, the Los Angeles Innocence Project has presented new scientific evidence and witness statements that undermine the prosecution's case against Scott Peterson. Yeah, I don't know. I don't believe it. Yeah, that's new. Yes, Lindsay. It's not the one that we know of. Yeah. As a matter of fact, it says here the Los Angeles Innocence Project is independent of the highly respected Innocence Project. The Innocence Project has successfully overturned 300 convictions. But according to the website, the Los Angeles Innocence Project only shows one case they've successfully overturned. Right. Lazy Wolf, just like Brian Koberger's lawyer kept saying, the prosecution was withholding evidence, withholding discovery, and that he had an alibi. Thanks, Joe. Cooterville, where the legs are open, but membership is tight. Yeah, people love to think people are innocent. Sure do. They love to swing for the underdog, like He was done wrong. Kelly Mack, it kind of reminds me of the Najin Cavey. How many Najin Caveys is there? No spoilers. I don't care what Hidden True Crime did. Thank you, Ready Freddy. Prayers and coffee make a great day. Thank you so much. I'm not behind. Literally not behind. Literally. There's no audio. Maybe I was a couple minutes behind. I don't know. Court TV's messed up. Here we go. One 1% says not guilty.
All right, the jury is present. Please be seated. Do we have a foreperson? Who's the foreperson?
Yes.
Has the jury reached a
Hey,
verdict?
for the record.
Yes, we have.
I'm going to ask you to hand that to my courtroom assistant.
Here we go. I wish we could see her damn face.
I'll ask the clerk to read and record the verdict.
In the Superior Court of the State of Arizona in and for the County of Maricopa, State of Arizona versus Lori Daybell, CR 2021-001704-001, verdict count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Lori Daybell, as to the crime of count 1, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder occurring on or about July 11, 2019, guilty. Signed, foreperson. Is this your true verdict, so say you one and all?
Yes.
On the court's own motion, I'll go ahead and ask the clerk to poll the jury.
Juror number 1, is this your
just
true
hear me.
verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is
Justice
this
for
your true verdict?
Charles.
Juror number 7, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, is this your true verdict?
I can't wait to see what Kay
Juror
says.
number 9, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 10, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
You
Juror number
delusional
12,
thing,
Is
you.
this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 13, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 15, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 16, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to ask the jury to retire to the jury room for just
Thank you
about
for your
2
service,
minutes. I need
jury.
to discuss something
Job
with the
well
parties before we determine whether you're done or not. So the admonition still applies. Please go to the jury room for a few minutes.
All right, to the jury.
And mostly all men, too. Justice for Charles. Yes. Jeremy says never represent yourself. Yeah, not a good move. But I'm glad that Stryker, I agree. I'm glad that
All right, please be seated.
she
The
was found
jury is
guilty
no longer
no matter what. you know.
present. I'll ask the defendant, you indicated earlier perhaps a willingness to stipulate to aggravating factors. Is that something you want to do, or do we want to go through this aggravation phase?
I'm willing to stipulate to it, Your Honor. All that it is the dangerous phase. Is that correct? There's only one statute there's only one sentence.
Well, the jury would need to find, first of all, whether or not this is a dangerous offense first. Secondly, whether the offense caused physical, emotional, or financial harm to the victim, or if the victim died as a result of the conduct of the defendant caused emotional or financial harm to the victim's immediate family. And then thirdly, the offense involved the presence of an accomplice. If you're willing to stipulate to all three of those, we can do that. If not, we'll bring the jury back in.
I will stipulate to it, Your Honor.
All right. You understand that if you stipulate to this instead of a jury finding, well, let me back up. You understand the jury would have to find these aggravating factors beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
All right. And do you understand that if you stipulate to these factors instead of a jury doing it, I could also find additional aggravating factors at sentencing?
Sure.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you in any way to get you to stipulate to these factors?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to stipulate to these factors?
No.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication in the last 24 hours?
No.
Do you agree that pursuant to the jury's verdict of guilt, that this would be a dangerous offense because a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument was used?
I'm stipulating to it.
You agree that that this is a dangerous offense?
Correct.
And you're further stipulating that as a result of your conduct, at least the victim or the victim's family suffered emotional or financial harm?
Absolutely.
And you're also further agreeing that the offense involved the presence of an accomplice?
Yes.
Is the state satisfied with the colloquy?
What's a colloquy?
It's knowing voluntary. Made.
All right, the court does find that the stipulation to those three factors was knowingly, intelligently, voluntarily made. I will accept the defendant's stipulation. At this time, I'm going to bring in the jury and release them from the admonition. Before we
I'm confused.
do that, well, as my staff's lining up the jury, do you want to have a sentencing date within approximately 30 days, or do you want to wait until after the next trial to be sentenced on this matter?
What does the court prefer?
It doesn't matter to me. Maybe you want to talk to your attorneys or advisory council about that. We don't have to do it right now. You can do it in a few minutes.
Why bother? Uh-oh. Who just walked in? The jury? They're bringing him back in. Sorry. It's been a long day, y'all. I'm sorry. It's a term for a conversation with a judge. I know. Nikki said that too. Thank you, Grits. Wait till both trials are over and just send her back to prison. Autumn, Lori Vallow Daybell. Cheech, you covering the hearing tomorrow at 2 with Stefan Stearns? I sure is. And I think our girl Sarah Luna is actually going. So she said she would call in and let us know what it was like in there. Good to see you again, The next trial is for the attempted murder of her niece's ex-husband, Brandon Boudreaux. Right. Megan, when does the next one start?
Please be seated. The jury is present again. Members of the jury, you are now released from the admonition. This concludes your jury service. I want to thank you for your jury service in this matter and your attention in this matter.
I hope Nate Eaton interviews them, the jury.
The admonition is lifted, meaning you
There
can
she
talk
is.
to anyone about any aspect of this case that you want to at this point, but you also have the right to not talk to anyone about any aspect about this case. I just need to take care of a few more matters, but if you want to wait for me in the jury room, I'd like to thank you personally. And then you can be on your way. If you don't want to wait for me, that's fine as well. But you are released to go at this time. All right. Thank you.
All rise for the jury.
Lori, thank them for their service. You're a lawyer. Thank them. So what now? Kimberly, I agree with you. Yep, a totally new jury in the next one. Whole new trial.
All right. Please be seated.
I wonder what they'll say when they find out she murdered her own kids.
Do you want to talk to your advisory councils briefly to discuss whether or not you want to proceed to sentencing or wait until after the next trial?
If we could just wait till after the next trial, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'll hold off on ordering a pre-sentence report until we resolve the next remaining case. I've
There we
already
go.
set the dates, and we have a status conference in mid-May on that. So unless there's anything else from the state's perspective,
No, Your Honor.
from anything else from your perspective?
Nope.
I think they're going to be
All right, we'll at
relieved.
recess on this matter.
Recessed on the matter. Bye, Lori. Bye, lolly time. Go have lolly time in your cell. Weirdo. She's representing herself again. I'm almost tempted to cover it, to be honest with you. I know I said I wasn't, but I love seeing her get the justice that she deserves. I really enjoy this. Like, seeing this verdict has changed my mind on maybe watching the next trial. Even though it was boring as fuck, the justice is what feels good, what feels complete. Seeing the cases through. I've been following this case for many years, since it happened. I think, yeah. See what comes out in that one, because I don't really know the whole story about what happened with Brandon. Do we know when that one starts? I missed it, if Megan said it. I agree, justice is... Nick, be careful. Uh-oh, we're on someone's computer. We're on Nate's computer. Oh, Nate. Oh, Nate. Don't show your screen, Nate. Court feed 4/22/25. What's he doing? Let's see what the chat's saying. I don't know what he's doing, y'all. People are saying, get off this screen. Get off this screen. Oh no. Does he know he's not does he still know he's live? This is fucking weird. Oh, we're going to outside the courthouse. He was switching the feed. Oh, there we go. He took us right out to the live feed outside. Jill. Right, at least there was no weirdo stuff. Gigi, thank you. Yeah, I like this kind of coverage too. He's really good at what he does. The reporters in sneakers. Is that Tara Lynn? Here they come. Oh my gosh, me too. I would have lost faith in all humanity if that happened.
You want to say anything, folks?
You don't want to say anything?
Hi.
Anything? Miss? Anything you'd like to say?
Who are they, I wonder?
Nobody's walked up. This is for jurors. Yes, okay. Oh.
Jesus, who was that?
Whoever heard it. Jurors have come together.
Oh, those were jurors. Those were jurors. None of the jurors were talking. They're running after the jurors.
Jordan, stay here.
Was that Nate? Did Nate say, Jordan, stay here? Look, they're all going over by the jurors. There's Nate. Jordan, stay here. Well, once they get in their cars, they're gone. I mean, they got to run. They're running over to the jurors, guys. Well, the two that walked by didn't want to talk, but
Wetzel, do you want to go get the camera?
I don't want them to really leave right
They're
now.
all over there.
I know, they're chasing jurors.
they're chasing jurors. Hear it? I'd be pissed if I was being chased by media. Wouldn't you guys? I feel they should have protected them and not put them out the front door by all the freaking media. That's weird. They should have protected the jurors. I damn sure wouldn't want to be chased down. I mean, they're doing their duty. They didn't have a choice. I don't think they should be chased down.
Did it over here in front of everybody. Let's see if we can. Yeah.
Kels, you probably would. Unless one of them stopped to talk and they all wanted to get it. You know what I mean? One of them may have stopped and talked to one reporter and then they all just ran down there. Something seems off to the left. I think that's just another news crew right there. But I think they're running out to the parking lot. To get statements, you know. Got to get that story. La 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 la. The guy in the backpack's gonna talk? Oh, really, Autumn? I've never been called for jury duty. They're telling me it's from the Minecraft movie. We. La 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 ba. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken. Yeah, it's tasty as heck. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing my bell. Oh, yeah, it's spicy as hell. Melissa B., you sat on a grand jury? Wow, that's pretty cool. Declined with doctor's note. I wish I would have done it. I would love to be called 7 times, Pam. Steve's lava chicken, now it's spicy as hell. You were on 2 CM cases? Is that criminal murder? Me either, Nash. 3 times for Kathleen, alternate for Morgan. That sucks. Chasing jurors. Are you going to be live tomorrow on this channel or your other channel? Tomorrow for Stephen Stearns, Cole. 2 in the afternoon, baby. 2 p.m. Your sister's on a criminal case now. You were called 3 times, never picked. Oh, wow. I would love to be called. You were summoned for a federal grand jury? Oh, wow. I can't with these back scenes. Right. It's so funny. Yeah, we're live tomorrow with Stearns. Sarah's going to the hearing. He had a hearing today as well. He's got his head shaved, looking like a friggin' weirdo. Yeah, I did see it, Shell. Yes. Brendan, get her number. Wendy, I was called for domestic violence, was dismissed because I'm a survivor.
I sure am.
Thank you, Sophia. Thanks for being here, and thank you always for your support. I know, he's all thin. Poor Stefan. Frenchie, I'm glad
John
too.
And Christina, well, after several days of testimony and about 3 hours of deliberation, it all came down to one word. The jury
Flashbang. I hope that goes well for you.
Everyone in the courtroom, guilty.
Pre-trial hearing tomorrow, isn't it? The pre-trial for Stearns.
And I noticed that none of them looked into the direction of Vallow Daybell. And I also noticed as they were walking outside of the courtroom that a few of the jurors actually looked in the direction of Kate Woodcock, which is the sister of Charles Vallow. Now, if you recall, this is a case, an ongoing years saga involving murder, marriage, and extreme religious beliefs. Prosecutors say that it was Lori Vallow Daybell.
Yeah, tomorrow's his pre-trial hearing.
Who's now dead, who plotted to kill Charles, her then husband, back in 2019. They said the main motives involved money, Charles' life insurance policy.
Aw, thank you,
marriage.
Sue M.
Lori wanted to marry Chad Daybell.
Jay,
And
huge
of
thanks
course,
to you
there
for
were the
hosting all week.
disabilities
Thank
as
you,
well.
Sue.
Now, there was a lot of evidence the jury couldn't hear in this case, including the fact that Lori has already been convicted for killing 2 of her children. But despite that, the jury still came back and they said that there was enough evidence to convict Lori in this case. Another twist was Lori herself.
But it says here his
was her own
pretrial
defendant.
starts at 9
She did not take
o'clock
the stand in her
a.m.
own defense,
tomorrow.
and she did not put up any witnesses either.
He has 2 hearings
We were
tomorrow,
able
one
to
at 9 and
speak,
one
I
at 2.
believe, to one of the jurors, one of our reporters here at Fox 10, Kenji Each. She's also here, so can't wait to hear their insights to all
And
of
his
this.
trial starts
It is
5/5,
finally
so
over,
I'll type in the chat.
after all of these days and all of this testimony, guys. Yeah, so we don't have too many members of the public. Those who were interested were inside of the courtroom today. But we are expecting to hear from
Yes,
family
I'm gonna
members
cover
of
it,
Charles,
Frenchie.
specifically Charles' sister, Kay Woodcock. If you remember, she's also the grandmother of JJ, who was also killed. She's expected to speak with us in just a
Thank
few
you,
minutes.
Sean.
So we're going to have even more coverage of this. A lot to break
Oh,
down
the
and
one at
talk
9 a.m.?
about,
The one on
right
the
here at
docket, it
Fox
says it's
10,
pretrial,
live at 5:30 and
and then it
throughout
says hearing at 2. I'm ready for justice for Maddie, for sure. All right, this is kind of taking a while. This is taking a minute here. We will chat up here in the courtroom via his translated being portal. Yeah, I don't understand either. It says pre-trial at 9 a.m., 2 o'clock.
Well, first of all, Lori
hearing.
Vallow would have to admit that she is not a good attorney, and I think that with Lori's arrogance, that's probably not something she would do. That's probably a step with her personality. But aside from that, I think that's going to be super, super difficult. We probably have to speak to someone like Benjamin Taylor, who's been doing a fantastic job on the panelists, for Justin Lum as he continues to break down this. However,
I'm hearing
think she
voices
would
come out now.
warn
Do you
of
guys
the
hear 'em?
risks of doing this ahead of time. So that would be very, very difficult to come about and say
Kiki.
otherwise at this point.
I know Maddie's case is horrible. Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
I keep forgetting they're in Arizona. I keep thinking they're in Idaho. I'm like, why is he wearing that hat in Idaho? Jesus. Maddie's case is one that needs to be seen through to justice, if you ask me. Horrible. No, Jen hasn't been charged at all. Hey, should I ask them if their mics play hot cross buns? Sarah, she's living in Claremont with friends. She checked herself into a mental health place for
You guys want me
months.
to take my camera, yes or no? Okay. Okay.
Oh, she sure did, Cassie. Horrible. Horrible, that woman. Stefan's parents? Oh, God. Oh, someone's mic just fell. Oh, Lord.
Okay, we're on.
We are on.
All right, I'm just going to stand here for a minute. I believe Kay Woodcock said she's on her way down, everybody. Sorry to leave you hanging there. We just saw a couple of jurors who left and went and spoke with them, all of us here in the media. Different reactions from three of the jurors who we spoke with, two women, one man, who say they really didn't know anything about this case, and they're starting to learn now that Tylee Ryan is dead, J.J. Vallow is dead, learning about Tammy Daybell. They said, all three of them told us that they were quite disappointed that Lori Vallow did not present a defense, did not testify. They were hoping to hear from her. They did not use that against her, though, when they deliberated. They said the most damning evidence that they had in all of this were the text messages from Lori, especially the one saying that, 2 bullets in the chest that Chad Daybell sent to Lori, other text messages. I'm going to play those full interviews for you later tonight on Courtroom Insider. We spoke with them. So these jurors now, one of them we just spoke with, her grandmother. She said that she went home and told her grandmother that she was called for jury duty. Her grandmother said, "What's the case?" She said, "Lori Vallow." She said her grandmother's face dropped. She had no idea that her granddaughter didn't know anything about this case. They're going to dinner tonight. I imagine they will have a lot to talk about. So the jurors have just left. There's a few that are still hanging out here. One of the female jurors said that the testimony of Kay Woodcock really touched her, and that she was pleased when she looked over at Kay Woodcock today when that guilty verdict came down. They did say that they watched the entire video that Lori asked them to watch, her police interview the day that Charles was shot. They did. That's the first thing they did. They said when they got in the jury room, and they said it really didn't change their minds. Lori was laughing. She was carefree. Of course, we talked about being nonchalant. She was nonchalant in that video, and the jurors, it didn't change their minds. They did say there were a few jurors that were convinced she was not guilty. In fact, one of the guys we spoke with said up until yesterday, he could have said she was not guilty, but the prosecutor's closing argument brought it all together for him as they laid out exactly what happened, according to the prosecutor. And now we know that that affected the jurors. They deliberated for 17 minutes yesterday, and then this morning for about 90 minutes, and then this afternoon for about 75 minutes. So all in all, less than 3 hours to reach this guilty verdict that was read in the courtroom about an hour ago. Lori Vallow told the judge she will wait to be sentenced until after her next trial. She said that there were aggravating factors that the prosecutor could have presented in this case today and could have called witnesses to testify. Lori said she was waiving those by stipulation, basically acknowledging that those aggravating factors were there and thus expediting the process here, other than the sentencing, which we know will not happen until the next trial is over. I'm standing here. Kay Woodcock, I believe, is working her way down. She may have a few statements to say to the media here, and we are just waiting to see. I want to be sure I'm not missing any of the other jurors. They let them out the doors. I followed a few down to my left, and they didn't want to talk, and then a few were down here to the right. An elderly man, I shouldn't say elderly, he was a man who's probably in his 50s or 60s, along with a female who's probably in her 50s, and a woman who's probably in her 20s or 30s. All three of them serving on this juror. They said they learned yesterday that Tylee had died. And they said they were waiting during this trial to hear from Tylee Ryan. They wanted her to testify.
I knew it.
They were wondering what happened to JJ.
Hey,
they were wondering about Alex. They knew that Alex had died. Lori Vallow Daybell said that in her opening argument. What they didn't know is how he died or how he played into this, at least at the beginning of the trial. They later learned that he was actively involved in this, as he was Lori Vallow's co-conspirator. So we will play those juror interviews for you tonight. For now, Lori Vallow is on her way back to the jail, where she will prepare for her next trial, which is scheduled to begin the first 2 weeks of June. She's facing a charge of conspiracy to commit the murder of Brandon Boudreaux, her former nephew-in-law. He was married to her niece, Melanie, when he was driving home from the gym in 2019, and he was shot at the first week of October. He was shot at, busted out his window of his car. He was not hit. He was not injured or killed. Well, Lori faces charges in connection to that crime, and she again plans to represent herself with advisory counsel, and that trial is expected to last 2 to 3 weeks. Trina Kay says that some witnesses will be coming from out of state, most likely from Idaho, perhaps some of the investigators there. This trial,
thank you so much, Gigi, for your super chat.
Solely focused on investigators here in Arizona, firefighters, police officers, the medical examiner, the Department of Public Safety. Those were the people who testified in this trial, along with people who knew Lori Vallow well, who were friends with her, along with a woman who went on a date with Charles Vallow the night before he was shot and killed, and he told her a lot of stuff. They had texted back and forth for hours. Those are the people we heard from in this trial, and those are the people who these jurors heard from that led to the guilty verdict. So we're out here outside the courthouse. A lot of media. It's getting warm. It looks like there are some jurors getting back on the jury bus.
All right, you guys, I'm going to stop this here. If you guys want to go over there and watch more of Nate, I will give you that link. But thank you for joining me for the verdict. I look at him waving to people. I really do appreciate it. It's been a long day. I'm going to get out of here. But here is Nate's link if you would like to go. I enjoy Nate a lot. And tonight he'll be airing the juror interviews. So he'll be live tonight with live updates and all of that stuff, I'm sure. Again, here is East Idaho News. Thank you, Thank you, everybody. It's been a good day. You guys all take care. Shane Culkin, thank you for being here again today. And yeah. We're going to run our credits, and until the next one, stay safe. Thank you, moderators, for all of your hard work today and every day, but especially today. Gigi, you're going to Coburger. Nice. Keep us posted, Gigi. We're going to be streaming that one as well. Misty, it was great to see you. Yep, portal out, Cooters. All right, guys, take care. Have a great evening. Bye. Bye, Cole. So much for watching. If you enjoyed this live stream or video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my latest content. Want to take it a step further? Bring it all in and join our community clickers by becoming a Patreon or a YouTube member. You'll get exclusive access to our Discord server, special channel perks, and much more. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Click, 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 click. It's real easy, man.
I don't give a damn. I don't really care about you and your problems. I don't give a damn. You talk way too much. I have heard enough about you and your problems. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. Damn, 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 damn. You wanna be with me. You wanna feel something real, but I'm feeling differently. You're making plans to get to friends, but don't wanna face the fact that I ain't got time for that. you, singing by the pool, sipping on coke and Jack. Calling my phone when you feel alone, but I'll never call you back. 'Cause I ain't got time, I ain't got time, I ain't got time for that. I don't give a damn, I don't really care about you and your problems. I don't give a damn. You talk way too much, I have heard enough about you